And we are in, I think this is Barangay Santo Rosario, Magalang, Pampanga. And later I will show you again the view of NLEX and how fast this car performs in the expressway. I will let you hear the sound of the engine.
Hanapin yung mga maps ko. Kasi lagay nyo sa Dunggalo. Yung maps. May history yan dyan. Yung sa Dunggalo.
Dunggalo, Parañaque City. Direction.
Hindi ako nangungula.
Start. Net. Lemon na dyan rin si Chok.
We are now in Mabalacat, Pampanga. And our time now is 12:52 in the afternoon. We are bound to Parañaque City, Metro Manila, to the Philippine Maritime Police Office in Parañaque. And after that, we are now going to Legazpi City in Bicol. By the way, Mabalacat is now a city here in Pampanga. And the other one is Angeles City. And the other one is Angeles City, Pampanga. But for now, we are traversing the roads of Mabalacat City.
Ayoko niya.
Consider the view of the different. Unlike in Bicol, I will show you the difference. Unlike in Bicol,
No.
there are also a farms in Bicol. There are farms in the parts of Polangi and Kamalig. But this is an urbanized city with a rural uh, landscape. We're now in Barangay Santa Ines, Mabalacat City, Pampanga. And Manila is on the right side. Mabuhay, the industrial city of Pampanga. So we are now going to NLEX. This is NLEX. We're now entering NLEX. Consider clear roads here in NLEX. Okay. You will see later how fast this car will perform here in the expressway. We're now at the toll gate again. Again, we are going to the
Ha?
Nasa for help.
Saan?
Yung kuya yung press, ano, may photo.
Isipin ko ano RFID.
Easy.
Isipin ko ito.
Hello, Father.
Hindi na kaano yung isipin.
Yun
Okay na, thank you.
Bakit tayo street? No?
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Wala pa ba tinda?
Alin, hindi doon sa ano natin. Kailangan.
Okay. We're going fast again. 40, 50. 60. 1/4 there. 60. 70, 75. Counting the speed. 80. So my uncle should set it to 50 there. And 85, 90. And oh, that's a reflection of me taking the video. That's the farm here in Pampanga, Alex. Oh, look at this car. Dawo. There are riders here, motorcycle riders. You know, Pampanga. Look at those riders on the front. And there's a bus, a Genesis bus. And there's on the other side, it's a Bataan Transit bus. Dawo. We are now approaching Dawo. I am going to film again this bus. See? Look at these motorcycles.
Motorcycle.
This is a
Paano pa ng kamay? Patanggal-tanggal mo ng kamay. Yun ang nasa. Nasa highway.
we're going to follow these motorcycle riders.
Ha?
And
Ng dalawang kamay?
first we are heading.
Ano ka man, madal?
This is a BMW motorcycle. I am going to let you show. Yes, it's a BMW over here. It's a BMW GS Adventure. And I'm heading for Angeles City. Look at that trick. See? If I were a rider, I will not do the trick on this expressway because it is a prone of accident. I tell you, see, look at that. See that rider in the front. I was because I can't do that trick. Whoa. Another one. And another one. This is bound for that signboard is bound for Angeles City. But we are not going there. Because I'm still focusing on these riders.
Bakit? Ano? Ano nangyari? Ha?
See, we're running. That's how fast car is. And it's the RPM 2,500 revolution per minute. Our cruising speed is
O, diba? O, sige.
is almost 100 kilometers, and I will make it clearer.
O. Meron yan lang talaga rin. Wow.
Baka
Ano ko dito? Okay, isa ko dito. Ito, yan. Just mo.
nakawin ka. Kaya Diyos. Tapos, pasok ka na.
Kita. O. Diba?
I am going to spot buses on the left side and also here on the right side of our road. I think there's one. Oh.
Bakit ang nilalagay? Yan.
There's one over there.
Yun. Check this.
It's a solid north bus. See, there's another. There's one approaching. It's another solid north bus heading for San Carlos, Pangasinan. I think it's San Carlos, Pangasinan. Let's see what's that. Oh,
Bili pa ko sa mga...
the Suklaban overpass. Another solid north bus. We're going to stop there for a while at the
Mga tulog manok pala yun.
Suklaban overpass.
Kasi,
Oh, Wendy's.
di ba may classmate ako nakakano sa Emirates.
Ayan o, may Wendy's.
Di ba tayo nagbaba? Di ba kayo nun? Hindi. Ay, iba yun.
So this is Shell in North Luzon Expressway, and the riders are here too. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are so many. I can't count how many they are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's the other one is here. 7, 8.
Hindi, nagpagas tayo. Sabi,
Kakain?
nung pagkain tong isa,
Wendy's.
si si Francis. Asan yung Wendy's?
Pag nandito man kami
Asa?
nagkaon yun yung pag ano. Ano siya sa kapitala ng
Wendy's.
Sa kabila.
dito kami na nag-stop. Saan kayo kumain?
So we are here to take a break from our very, 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 very long trip.
We will just start the long trip. We're not yet,
Ducati? Ito. Amira, pati ako pinipidyoan mo. Mga mamahalin talaga yung
Motorcycles. Look at that. Another BMW GS. It's here. When this is this way. So that's the restaurant we're going to stop.
And eat! Magkape ka na, Well?
yan no, Starbucks. Asan na yung
Wait, sa'yo di ba? O Wendy's, this way.
I want a chocolate frappuccino.
It's over there. When this is over there.
Wendy's Park and order.
Alan.
Andun sa laog.
We're going to park here. On this spot.
Pwede.
It smells
Pwede.
Yes.
Starbucks.
I'm going to film at the back. Okay,
Si Tita Jenny.
sige. I can't film at the back.
Wag mo muna ako harangan. Ako pa ang hinaharangan mo lugod. Sus ng mga tao to. Ako ang gamaniobra. Wag mo harangin. Hindi ko nakikita. Mamaya nabangga ko yan.
Okay. I'm looking at the side.
Add mo na sa vlog mo. Oh my God.
The driver, I am sorry guys. The driver told me not to open this window.
Hindi, hinaharangan mo.
Naharangan mo.
Ang late mo man.
Okay.
Tawagan mo kaya mama mo muna na mama. Pauwi na po kami. Tawagan niya na.
Di ba ba okay?
Oo, kung kakain niya.